Hi everyone, Justin with Discover Local Pros here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a customized photo gallery on the Semplice theme or Semplice theme. And what I mean by a photo gallery is something similar to this. I have a 3-column, but you can do 2 or 4 or however you want to do it. But so we have 3 columns. And then 3 columns in each row, and then unlimited rows. So let me show you how to add an image with a title just like I have these ones here. So let's go to the back end of WordPress. And I'm going to stay on this page. Now, in the Semplice theme, it's different than a typical WordPress editor, page editor. You can do the traditional editor, but we're using what they've provided. So we're going to go into the Content tab and edit the content. Now, this is their rich or their text editor, and I've done a lot of customization to this to make it look like how we have. I'm going to show you how to make one of these rows. So basically, these images are all in one, I guess, section. Let me show you what a section is. So let's go to this grid and show layers. So this is the section where all the images are. So as you can see, it's one section, and then they're all kind of grouped into individual, I guess, sections or layers, or whatever you want to call it, divs. So this would be one divider or one section, another section. This is one section, and then all the images I have in one section. So let's add another column or another row with 3 columns in it. So column edit is what you want to click. So all you do is you click on one of the images and then select the column edit. So as you can see, I have a lot of them here. But as you scroll down in this section of photos, at the top, you see Add New Column. And each one of these is a column. Okay, so we're going to add a new column. And then let's look at the column before this, and you can see that the width is 4. And as default, the width on these is 6. So we're going to drop that down to 4 just so we're in uniform with the other ones. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add image. And this is going to make it just like the previous columns before. And then we're going to add a text section. Okay? So the next step to make it like that is to image align. We want to center it, and then open in Lightbox. And what Lightbox is when you click on the image, it'll make it into a bigger image. Okay, cool. So we're not going to do anything with linking. If you want to add an image link, which you would add a URL where it would go to a different page or a different website, you can do that. But I'm not going to do that in this. Okay, so let's add an image in here. So let's just take this one. And as you can see, this is really important, specifically for this web design I'm doing, because I wanted to add these that title below. So just copy exactly how this is. So do you see how Dream Orange, the title is like that? Let's go back to the front of this website real quick, so I could show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the title, and then here's a little description of the painting. This is a description, like a subtitle. So I have those in 2 rows. And for some reason, this theme is a little finicky, so you have to copy it exactly like this in the 2 rows. So just copy that. And now insert media. There's a button. I think it might be out of the image, but it's right here, and it says insert media at the bottom right. Okay, and then you have your image. And now we're going to copy this entire, the text that's in place there, and paste in that title that we put in. And now center it. And we're going to leave the title bold like that, but we're going to adjust this. You can't adjust the size for some reason. You would have to go into the code editor to do that. So let's change the font and make it light. And then change the letter spacing and make it 2.5. And I think that's what I have it on these. So remember that. The font of the subtitle is light, and the letter spacing is -2.5. Okay, and so let's add another one, just like that. So add new column, width for image, set your image, and then the text. Let's do all these. So image alignment, center, Lightbox, yes, upload, select the image you want, copy this text, insert media, you have your image in there. Now select all that, paste in the title. Let's adjust the subtitle, the font weight, light, and then spacing -2.5. All right, so let's add our third section to this row. So width for image, text. So I added the image file and the text. Open Lightbox, upload image. Let's put this image in there. Copy the title, insert media. Copy the text paragraph, paste in your title, center, select the subtitle, weight, light, letter spacing, -2.5. Okay, so after you're done with all 3 of those, you press the check, and that saves that work. So let's go down to the bottom and see Here are the 3 images we just added. Cool. Okay, so when you're done doing your edits to the text editor, click Save at the top, and then you have to update the page. Now, if you want to see it on the front end, let's go to View Page, and that'll bring you to the front end of WordPress. Now let's scroll down to the bottom and see those 3 images. Okay, they look just like all the rest. Cool. Okay, so that's how you add this customized photo gallery on Semplice. Again, my name is Justin with Discover Local Pros, and thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, go to discoverlocalpros.com.